Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have editor or owner access, so start immediately. Open the sheet and click Share. Once the dialog appears, find the person you want to promote. If they are not listed, add their Google email and grant editor access. You need them present to transfer ownership. Make sure the target account is a Google account because only Google accounts can be owners. While in the dialog, check existing permissions and remove duplicates. This prevents permission conflicts when you change ownership. With the person added and listed as editor, click the permission drop-down beside their name and select Transfer Ownership. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining consequences. Read it because owners can remove you. Confirm the transfer. Google sends an email to the new owner to accept or acknowledge. Once accepted, the label changes to owner. If they don't accept quickly, remind them to check their account. Otherwise, the file remains under your ownership until they complete the step. After transfer, open Share again to confirm the owner label appears next to the new person. If you still see your name, refresh and check the new owner's email for confirmation steps. If transfer ownership isn't available, it's often due to account type. Make sure both accounts are standard Google accounts, or consult your workspace admin because organization policies can block transfers. If problems persist, download a copy and reshare. But note that a copy will not carry the original file's ownership history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.